Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we show you how to make new cocktails. And well, speaking of new, about 6 months ago, if you've been following us, you knew that we packed up from upstate New York where it was cold and snowy and over 170 inches of snow last year, down to sunny Florida. And we've been working in a makeshift bar. Well, we got something new today. We've got a new bar, and while it doesn't necessarily have all the whistles, we do have a new bell. And that's going to help us make cocktails great. Well, I don't know how great, but it's going to make them cool. And since we're talking about new cocktails, we're going to use a new cocktail book, and this is from one of our favorite rock and roll stars, Sammy Hagar. Sammy, as you may know, besides being a great singer for Van Halen, Montrose, the Wabaritas, The Circle, a whole bunch of different bands. He also owns restaurants, the Cabo Wabo Cantina, and he was the first celebrity tequila that ever came out with Cabo Wabo Tequila. And he's since come out with a brand called Santos and another one called Beach Bar Rums. Well, he's got all those cocktails in these books. And this is one, we picked one today, and I think it's one that you're going to enjoy. It's called the Margarita Verde. So, with nothing more to say, let's get pouring. First off, we're going to do a little bit of prep because we like fresh ingredients. The first thing that we're going to do is take some cucumber and we're going to cube it up. We're going to use 2 slices here. And I'm going to chop those up. I'm going to dice them. And we're going to put those in our shaker. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to use some fresh cilantro. And we're going to use the sprig. We're going to put some leaves on there and just dice those up because those are going in our glass too. I know a lot of people don't like cilantro, but I got to tell you, we love it around here. It goes great in salsa. It goes great in cocktails. It's so aromatic and so delicious. So now we've got that in there. We're going to gently muddle these. We're going to get some of the juices out of the cucumber, and we're going to get some of those oils out of the cilantro. Just muddle them gently. You're not tearing them apart. You're just trying to get them broken down. Now that we've got that done, we're going to start putting in some liquid ingredients. The first thing that we're going to use in there is some freshly squeezed lime juice. And we're going to use in there 1/2 of an ounce. The theme of this cocktail is fresh because we know fresh is best. 1/2 ounce of that goes in there. Now what we're going to use is a sweet and sour mix. If you look in the description, you'll see the recipe in there for the sweet and sour. It's simple syrup, some lime juice, and some lemon juice all put together in there. And for that, it's the bulk of the cocktail here, we're going to use 4 ounces. All right, we got that in there. Now what we're going to do is follow that up with some Cointreau, and that's an orange liqueur. If you want to use Grand Marnier, you want to use triple sec, you want to use a dry curacao, that's up to you. Whatever you have on the shelf, that'll work. We're going to use in there 1/2 of an ounce. And we're going to finish this up with Sammy Hagar's original tequila, the Cabo Wabo Blanco. And we are going to put in there 1.5 ounces. If you want, you can go to 2. I won't tell. Now, what we need to do is ice this up to chill it down. And we're using crushed ice in this today. That's also going to help dilute it a little bit and get it cold really quick. All right, now that we got everything out of the glass, we need to get our glass. And for that, we're going to use a big margarita glass. I'm going to fill this up with crushed ice. This is a great refresher for a hot summer day. Put all that crushed ice in there. We are going to grab a strainer. And now we pour. And we're going to do it. This is a full gated pour. That means we're going to let everything that we can out of that shaker. So if we get chunks of cilantro in there. And to finally finish that off, let's take a little bit of cilantro, give it a slap because it's not fragrant enough already. Drop that in there. Yeah, we need a couple of sprigs. We want to make it look like it's a good bushy plant. Put a couple in there, and there is today's cocktail, the Margarita Verde. Let's give this a taste. Oh, that is bright. It's refreshing. Nice. You've got that a really soft cilantro taste to it. A lot of people don't like cilantro because it's so powerful, but this one has really got a subtle taste to it. And it just happens to be cocktail hour. So, check in the description. You'll see the recipe and make this one for yourself. You're gonna love it. Cheers, everybody, and welcome to the new Drunken Sailor Cocktail Bar. We'll see you at the next cocktail.